In front of me is TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to click on Display. And scroll down again to tap on Screen Refresh Rate over here. Now you need to tap on one of those options to apply the best one for you. And when you finished, just go back. As you can see, after that, refresh rate of my TCL has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!